Hello and welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. Today we're going to talk about forgotten fillet features, specifically the FilletXpert. So here we've got a piece of scuba gear and we need to add fillets to these grips. Now we can see that these grips are individual pieces, so they're not patterns where we can update a seed feature and then pattern it out. So how do we do this? Go into our fillet tool, and just to the right of the manual button, you'll see there's a FilletXpert button. This has been around for many years, and it's going to allow you to add multiple fillets all in one shot, change existing fillets, or work with corners. Today we're just going to look at adding fillets. So we're going to add two separate fillets here. And what's really great about this tool is that you can select an edge and then use this pop-up toolbar to find common edges. And what I normally do here is I just try and just look at the selection set visually and then select that. A lot of times it will find more than you need, or it just won't find exactly what you want. You can see here we're getting parts of the logo and other areas of the model. Now this middle one right here is where I can get the front and back end of that one particular grip. Let's come over to the other side, do the same thing over here, select an edge. And if you move away from that tooltip and it goes away, just deselect the edge and reselect the edge, and then you'll get it back. Find the selection set that you want and move on to the next one. And again, this one right here, I've noticed with patterns that you kind of have to, even if it's not a pattern, with patterns you have to sometimes select the pattern features more than once. But now that I've gotten everything, we've got an apply button here, and the apply button is actually going to create the fillet feature but allow me to continue working with more fillets. So now let's go ahead and add the rest of our fillet edges. And as you can see here, I'm not able to get everything all in one shot without grabbing the logo, so I'm just going to do it in parts and pieces. Then head over to the other side, and same thing over here. And then once I have everything done, I just hit the apply button again, and if we OK out of here, we'll see that we have two fillet features created. All right, and there were dozens of edges that I selected, but I really only clicked a handful of times, so this saved me a lot of time. So if you've got fillet edges that are not tangent, a lot of vertical edges are great to use, but they're not tangent, then FilletXpert is the tool for you. So that's been TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. Catch us up for next week when we look at how to change existing fillets with the FilletXpert.